Hi, this is Bee from Sorcery Soap, and if you're behind on your Christmas soaps, I wanted to show you a pretty quick and pretty easy way to make some fun stocking stuffer soaps. So I figured out a couple different ways, and as I started to make these, there we go. As I started to make these soaps, I realized that the idea in my mind of what a piece of coal looks like is a briquette. And I'm in the US and I've never used coal. So, but then when I did a little search on it, I saw coal as irregular shapes. So I was making them sort of pillow top for a minute, and which is fine because that speaks to people here in the US, but coal is very irregular. And the nice thing about making this, if you just started working with soap dough, is that you can't make a mistake. You're just working with the soap dough. And you can see two different colors here. I have a couple different colors of black so that there's variation, so when you put them together that they look a little bit different, not just one. Anyway, so that's what I'm making today, and I'll show you a couple different ways to make them really quickly. So average size, because I put them together per weight versus shape, and you don't want, so you could just leave it like that, lump of coal, let it cure. It'll be done in, because it's small, it'll be cured in 3 to 4 weeks. Now 3 weeks maybe, even shorter than that maybe. I mean, you could use it right now, but it's not stable. So once it cures, it'll be hard, and then you could use it. But my problem with this is that the actual use of it, so when I do this, it's not gonna roll really nicely. Where if I make them like this, I'm gonna roll it, be able to hold it in my hand and roll it, because it's a little bit flatter. But I'll show you a couple different ways. So now with this soap dough, you can use, you don't have to make it nice and clean. You can just, like, what I mean clean is by like all the little white specks of dried soap that gets embedded into the soap. I usually try to like tidy up. You don't have to do that. You can just do that. Done, right? There's one. Okay, coal or not, together, if you're gonna package it and you're gonna offer it as coal for, soap coal for Christmas, the idea will come across for sure. Here's another way that seems a little bit fun too, that are a little bit more uniform. So let's get some more of this. And there's black soap dough online right now. There's 2 different types of it. Charcoal coal, which I call, because it's a little bit grayer, more like this. And then black night coal, which is like this. So in the package, they look about the same. You wouldn't know it until you start to use it. So anyway. So, and then if you use this and you put cornstarch on it to keep it from sticking, then makes it look even rougher. So there you go. Let's clean this off. So, and this is, quick and easy because you don't need it super neat and tidy, but these are a little bit more shaped. Okay, there. So I'm making a pillow top right now of it, like that. Okay, and then I'm using a little bit of water to get the soaps to stick, just like when you put 2 slivers of soap in the shower and it's like a nightmare to try to get them separated again. It's the same thing. So you just want that seam to go away. Don't have to be neat about it. As a matter of fact, untidy is probably better. And water makes soap dough kind of sticky, so this is a good thing, right? There you go. Just another idea. And of course you can put different colors in it. You can mix it all together. I want that seam to go away. I just moved it a bit. So there's one way. Let me show you some others. There's another. There's another. So you get the general idea. You put them together, and there you go. So I am going to make a bunch this year. I haven't in the past. And I'm gonna make a bunch and put them online. So if you don't want to make them, you can get them from me too. And that's what I'm doing today. I hope you're having a great day and coming up with new ideas for soap dough and practicing and experimenting and